Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and we're still in spooky season, but I have another spooky food pantry haul video for you today. And I'm going to show you some delicious, hauntingly good ideas for your recipes, and some good ideas on how we're going to make it through these tough times. Come on, let's take a look and see what I got. We're going to start from the left, all the way to the right. We've got some wonderful white chicken in a pouch. This stuff makes excellent chicken salad. You can even hollow out a plastic skeleton and mold the chicken so that it looks like a brain. Yeah. Excellent prop for a Halloween party. Or chicken sandwiches. Hey, they go a long way in tough times. Yes, they do. We've got some oatmeal. Great for breakfast. Time saving. Good for you. For lean times, this is the way to go. You can make cookies. You can make all kinds of things. You can even make a type of bake with this, like a bread. Yeah. Now, we've got some spaghetti sauce. We've got 2 spaghetti sauces and 2 diced tomatoes. You can make a wonderful casserole. You can make a lasagna. You can make baked spaghetti, or you can make spaghetti. You can also make pizzas. And for your Halloween party, as you'll see on my Halloween special coming up this week, a creature pizza. We've got 2 tomato sauce, usually 2 tomato soups, or vampire soup as I call it. That would make a great addition to your party. Serve it in little pumpkin bowls. That would be cute. We've got 2 cans of pears. I believe they are in extra light syrup. Delicious. Let's make a pear tart. Let's freeze it, blend it up, and make smoothies. Yeah. Still healthy in the wintertime. We've got some green vegetables, mixed green beans. We've got some sweet peas, some low sodium fancy spinach, and some corn. Now what we could do with all of this, the corn and the peas, with some potatoes and some hamburger, we can make a shepherd's pie. Then we've got some cut green beans. We can make a green bean casserole. We can make a spinach souffle, or a spinach casserole, or some cream spinach, or put your spinach on your pizza. Florentine, yeah. Now look at this. We've got 3 macaroni and cheese. I make my own sauce with this. Now here's a cool idea. Make your macaroni and cheese the way I make it. You can see my video. Add some chicken to that. Add some spinach or the vegetable of your choice. Layer it. The final layer, put some cheese on top and bake it. And you've got a wonderful holiday casserole. Who needs a turkey? Jumping over here. Oh, goody. I just had a cup of water, sorry. I've got a bag of apples. These little apples are so cool. These are great. You know what you do? The natives are getting restless over there. Girls, I'm making a video. Stop that. We could take these apples, put the taffy around them, and make some nice small taffy apples. That would be cool for a party. And they're just the right size. We've got some raisins. Now what you can do with the raisins, make your taffy apples. And they make jack-o'-lantern faces on the front of the apples. That would be that would be cool. That would be cool. Then we've got some tart cherries. These are so good over ice cream. They're also good if you freeze them and then blend them with a juice and make a wonderful smoothie. Yes. Oh, we got some more oatmeal over here. I didn't know I could put the 2 packs separately. But you can do a lot of things, like I said, besides cookies. You can also do a face mask, if you're into that. Then we've got some wonderful bagels. Excuse me, not bagels. These are muffins, English muffins. Pumpkin spice. Oh, yeah. These are so good for breakfast. Put some cinnamon and some butter on these and toast them with a little apple jam. Oh, apple butter, you know what I'm talking about? You will be in heaven. Speaking of apple cinnamon, I don't know how those got in there. They had them, so I had to get them. I love these. With my tea, oh, I digress. All right. Somebody's been eating the gummies. They get some gummies. Isn't this cool, you guys? For the kids. Give that to Javen. Then we've got some shelf-stable milk. Yeah. Oh, check it out. I couldn't resist. I had to get them. Aren't they cool? Yes, yes. Anyway, we've got some eggs. And once again, not a one broken. I love these. We've got some spaghetti. Now, don't think of spaghetti as just for spaghetti. You can make cold pasta dishes. You can make other hot pasta dishes. You can use Alfredo. Lots of things. Yeah, even a fruit salad with pasta. But I don't particularly care for it, but some people do. Some people do. But you can make a vegetable pasta salad. It's good. Then we've got Pappy's beans. These, I believe, are pinto beans, if I'm not mistaken. And they're very good. Beans, you soak in water for an hour. Then put them in your pot and boil them for about 2 hours with some smoked meat. When that smoked meat is fall apart and those beans are tender, you are ready to go. Don't forget your onion and garlic and some red pepper if you so desire. Also, you could chop up some green pepper and put in here. That would be good. Oh, we got a whole chicken. A delicious whole chicken. Instead of doing a turkey, consider roasting a chicken. Why not? Chicken and stuffing would be great. Season it like you would a turkey. Season it. Holiday bird. Oh, some more white chicken. Wish I'd have known that. Once again, like I said, you can make casseroles with that. Or, you see my green peppers? You could stuff the green peppers with the chicken and some veggies and have a really good thing. I could also make stuffed green pepper soup. Then back here, we've got some roasted chicken ready rice. That would be good with the chicken. Oh, yeah. That'll work. And then we've got some greens, mustard, and collard. Combine the two together. That would be good. Then guess what? They gave out essentials. Toilet paper and Irish Spring. No, not skeletons and cool cups. I know, I couldn't resist. I had to get them. Oh, look at that. Okay. Some Irish Spring soap and some toilet paper. So you can get toiletries from the food pantry. You can also get clothes from the clothing room. Now I'm going to pan everything out so we can see everything we got. Now, you saw some examples of what you can do for not only a Halloween party, but for holidays as well, because we've got some tough times coming up, considering certain food things have been cut off. I'm not even going to talk about it. What I am going to talk about is a solution. So follow my lead, nieces and nephews, and we're going to get through this together. Write to me and let me know what you need from me, Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com. The natives are restless. Like, comment, and subscribe. And look out for the Halloween special. I think you guys are going to really love it. Okay, we worked hard on it. All right, till the next time, big love from Uncle Chris.